What is going on, guys? Out here off the Dome Media Group. If you're new to the channel, I make videos about how I earn cash both online as well as offline. Today's video is about U.S.To, and U.S.To is a platform that allows you to earn cash by testing apps and websites online, both doing unmoderated and moderated tests. This particular video is answering a popular question, and that question is, I don't live, or the statement starts with, I don't live in the United States. Can I still participate or become a panelist with U.S.To? The shorter answer is yes, absolutely, you can. So as you see, this is the U.S.To Contributor Support Center. This is where you can ask all the questions that you may need and get most of your questions answered. A large majority of your questions can be answered here. Here's the question up here. I don't live in the United States. Can I still apply? Down here, the answer, yes. We have many U.S.To contributors in countries located all around the globe. We accept contributors from certain countries in Asia, Europe, the Middle East, Latin America, and more. Moving forward, even past that, once you actually sign up and you have access, oh wow, that's a $60 test right there. I got to do it. I'm sorry. Which of the following describes the current industry you work? I don't work in any of these industries. User experience, product design, this and that. So I'm answering none of the above. This is not planned. Which of the following describes you best? I have owned air purifier, have owned a purifier, have owned a purifier. So clearly this is about air purifiers. And I have no frame of reference about air purifiers. I'm not looking to buy one. I'm not. So none of this, none of the above. And judging by these questions, I know I'm going to get kicked out of this because I don't have any dealings with air purifiers. So I'm going to click none of the above, click next, and it says don't give up. But anyway, again, as you see, I'm doing this real time. That just popped up. But anyway, back to the topic at hand. This is a chat. This is a chat bubble. You can click that, and then the user testing bot, if you will, is named Edison. And I already put this question in here. What question? What country? And I grammatically butchered it, but what country do you support? And then I get the same response. You get Africa, Middle East, India, Asia Pacific, Europe, Latin America, and the Caribbean. Now, we didn't have the Caribbean on the previous page, but then we have obviously North America. So that's the answer to your question. Yes, you can live in other countries. You don't need to be in the United States to participate in or with usertesting.com. Personally, I will say that I've seen screeners completely in different languages. I've seen, where obviously I don't even understand it, so I've had to X out of it. But I've seen screeners have questions where they ask where do you live, or what country do you live in, and there were a whole list of countries, many of which weren't on the list that I just showed you. So I think, honestly, I say that to say I think the list is more extensive than that list is there. It may need to be updated. With all that being said, the answer to the question is no, you do not need to live in the United States or North America to participate with usertesting.com. You absolutely can sign up and take advantage of it. So as always, make sure you like, subscribe, share if you know somebody that can utilize this information. The link is in the description below for you to sign up. Costs nothing for you to sign up. I'm not paid to do this. I'm not part of usertesting.com. That's another question that I get. No, I don't work for User Testing. I'm a panelist. I do this just like you. I've been on the platform since 2018. I'm just sharing the wealth, if you will. But as always, be patient, be consistent, and you can make some cash. Peace.